everyone, my name is Ben and this is my DE1. So in this DE1 I want to review about what we did last week and my opinion about the group. So first of all, I think that last week I've done my work, but I haven't converted my DE2 into a video, and I'm really sorry for that. And this week I will try my best to do it into the video. And by the way, I also do the writing of the main work in the DE3. Well, moving on to the DE3, I think that I and Tony also agreed on the point that the DE3 shouldn't be on the writing. So I think that we should have hand-on projects. For example, like doing on Tinkercad, for example, like a smoke alarm or a fire alarm, which can really help. So, yes, I think that D3 should be experiments, like project. So we send in the group about the project we have. So not just that, also I did the main work, so which is about the case theories. So that is also really important for the for the automatic group which we are having, the SAEI group. So I think that just to be clear about this week, that from now the D3 should be about the project. So I've already sent in the project, which is about the smoke machines, the smoke detector, and also my other project, which I just did it, which is the temperature measurements. So with that, I'm now just moving on to my main work and then my D2. So this week main work is still about the case theories. So case theories, and we'll still continue with that. And that's not all. And I think that in the group I haven't taken notes. So this week I really try my best to pay concentration, pay attention to the group and taking notes, and don't need Tony to ask for me to answer. And I think that in the group I would like to share more about the project and ask more about the difficulties. And now is about my difficulties in the last week. So in the last week, the meeting, we have learned about the microcontrollers. And now I'm using an Arduino. So it's an Arduino Uno Rev 3. And it's perfect for beginners. And last week, I have some problem with it. Well, no, I cannot connect it to my PC, but it just powered, my PC powered it, but I just cannot make it to connect to the Arduino IDE. So after some research with Tony, I found the problem and I installed some other stuff, and yeah, it got to work. So yeah, that's my only difficulties in the last week. And I think that now on, just my experiment, just my thought on the group, I think that now on we should have more members. Yeah, and I know that Mrs. Pratt is finding more members, but for those who can code but cannot use English, then that's a big no for Mrs. Pratt. So I think that the ideal member for the group is about 3 or 4 members with 1 leader. And moving on, I think that from now we need to do more projects. So yeah, more project on automation engineering, and making simple sensors just for the beginning. And then now we could move to more complex ideas, like make a website and stuff. So yes, this is all my D1, and I promise to send in all my work before the deadline. So goodbye, thank you for listening.